Giving a presentation is often quite challenging, let alone when it has to be done online. Therefore, in this video, I will provide you with some tips and tricks for presenting in a digital environment. I have two main tips. Firstly, preparation is key. Before your presentation, think about some of the following questions. What do I want to say? What is the aim of my presentation? What are the main takeaways for my audience? After reflecting on these, we arrive at the second tip. Make your presentation interactive. Presentations demand much of our attention, especially when done online. By making your presentations more interactive, you involve your audience and create an activating experience, even making your presentation more fun. Plus, it increases the retention of information in the right way. So how can you achieve this? To help make this process as smooth and easy as possible, the University Library has created an overview with online tools that can assist you. For example, you could use the licensed audience response tool WooClap, which offers many opportunities for interaction with your audience by using different question types, like multiple choice, word clouds, or even open brainstorms. Just go to wooclap.com and log in via University Login, and you will have complete access to all functionalities. In addition to that, you could also use free tools, such as Kahoot, which adds a quiz-like game element to your presentation, or Padlet, a digital message board where your listeners can post images or questions. More of these tools and what they are for can be found in the student toolbox. A link is provided in the description. Thus, if you prepare well, know what you want to say, and involve your audience, your presentation will rock. Good luck, stay safe, and let us know in the comments if there is anything else concerning online education that you wish to receive more tips and tricks on.